guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrujita. In today's video I'll show you guys how I organize my fridge. So if you like to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I have this two-door fridge. The upper part is a freezer section and the lower part is a refrigerator. So now let's get into this video. The refrigerator, I'm gonna start from the freezer section. So let's begin. So this is how it looks. I keep all my frozen snacks and vegetables, fish, chickens in here. So I'm gonna start from this side. So in here I keep all my spice boxes which I don't use that often. Then it has one ice pack, popsicle stand, and there's frozen naan. Then I have this shrimp packet, and I have this frozen Kellogg's waffle packet. So this is all I have in this side. Now let's get into here. So on the upper part I keep my fishes and chicken and all. Right now I have this only one tray of fish, and I keep my frozen snack in here like this. And on the lower rack I keep my ice cube trays, and in this box it has ice cream and some frozen vegetables. So yeah, this is all which I have in the freezer section. Now let's get into this refrigerator part. So yeah, let's start from this side. It has three sections. On the upper section in here I keep my butter and chocolates. Then in here I keep all the beverages like coffee, soda, lemon soda, and mango drink. And back of it I keep my semolina. I just keep it in the refrigerator because that way it won't go bad easily. Then beside of that I keep this salsa can. So yeah, now in here I have bread and cheese. And now on the corner it has shredded coconut and more chocolates. And this face mask, I keep my face mask in the refrigerator. Now in this section I keep all my sauces like tamarind sauce, sriracha, soya sauce, ketchup, my chocolate sauce, this vinegar, and here we have these two wine bottles, and sugar syrup for pancakes. So yeah, in this section I keep all these things. In here I keep all my pickle bottles and the jam bottles in here, and vanilla extract, and two small bottles of Irish water and the rose water. So yeah, this is all which I keep in the sides. Now come to this part. We have these three racks and three boxes. So I like to keep all my vegetables and my fruits in these 3 boxes, but watermelons are too big to keep in these boxes, so I'll show you guys how I organize it. So in this boxes I keep this side it's carrot, ginger, bitter melon, tomato and some beets. On this box I keep all the big vegetables like cauliflower, eggplants, cabbages I keep in here. Then on this box it has also 2 corns, 2 trays of parval and 1 fruits strawberry box I keep in here. Now on this rack, this side it has beer bottles, and this corner it has these 3 boxes. It has dates. Now these 2 boxes I keep in here green chilies and coriander leaves. I like to keep these 2 things in boxes. So yeah. Now on to the second rack I keep all my leftovers. Then I have this 2 watermelons, and back of it has this gulab jamun packet. So yeah. On the top rack I keep all my dairy products. So in the corner I have these 2 boxes of yogurt, eggs and 2 jars of milk. So yeah, that is how I organize my fridge. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. If you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and thumbs it up. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye. And thank you for watching my videos guys, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload we'll get a notification so that you won't miss any of my videos. So yeah guys, bye.